In this video, we will learn how to create Facebook group. So let's begin.
So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you're on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook app. So here we go. So once the Facebook app is open, you need to go and tap on these three lines at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, this might be at the right top corner. So simply go and tap on this. So this would open up your menu. In menu, you would be seeing an option of groups. So this is the updated version of the Facebook. So you need to update the version if you want to get this user interface. In the previous user interface, there would be simple bars of groups as well. So simply go and tap on groups. So this would open up all of your groups that you have joined and the post from those. At the top, you can see create. At the top right, you can see create, tap on create. Now simply go and name your group. So once you have named your group, you can add a cover photo and you can set the privacy to public or private as you want it. So you can invite the more members or hide the group and or make it visible in the searches or whatever. So you can do these settings as you want. So once you have done your settings, simply go and tap on create the group. So the group has been created. So you can see you can invite the people, you can edit the things and whatever you want to do. So there are multiple settings like this one, admin tools, so you can have member requests and whatever, all of these things. So hope it has helped you in creating a Facebook group on Android as well as iOS devices. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.